The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Atchison County, southeastern Donovan County, southern Andrew County in northwest Missouri, northern Buchanan County in northwest Missouri, until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Atchison and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Troy, Latina, Elwood, St. Joseph, Country Club Villa, Amazonia, Donovan, St. Joseph Airport, Cosby and Helena. This will impact the following interstates. Interstate 29 between mile markers 40 and 59. Interstate 229 between mile markers 0 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.